Hello, this is Hurriya Kiran. I am the author of the book Prize for Peace, and I have won the award Life Insurance Authority Award. Here it is like this Life Insurance Authority Award. So I wrote this book, and my motivation writing this book was when we talk about insurance industry, there is so much noise out there, and there is so much misinformation, and there is so much gap. Because of that much noise, people don't understand, and you guys don't understand the value of insuring right. Because it's not about you first; it's about the people who are dependent on your income, and if something happens, how you will be and how they will be replacing your income. So that's where insurance come from, and insurance means money and securing you when there's a situation money is desperately needed. So that's the reason I wrote this book, so you clearly understand what is the meaning and why you need insurance and how to choose and what to choose. All that I've explained in this small book in different chapters. So I want to know what is your income replacement strategy, and what is your plan, how you have planned your finances, how you have planned your unseen situations in your life, how much love you have for your loved ones, and how you're making that sure. So if you have any question, if you have any concern, if you have any existing plans but you are not sure what you are covered for or how they works, there is a link under this video. You can give me a call, you can book an appointment, and you can ask me whatever in your mind. So hope to see you soon on the phone call with me. Thank you. Take care. Bye.